name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. So the packaging your smart security camera.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I've been part of the Chamberlain Centurion family since 2022 at the Home Decor department. Today, I'll be showing you how to do a makeover on your terracotta pot. The products you will need to do this project will be your drop sheet, your white chalk paint, your Granny Bee armor, your paintbrush, your different colors of art pens, your terracotta pot, your tray, and your bucket of water. We will start with our first coat of our white chalk paint on our terracotta pot. So you take your brush and you start painting. Bear in mind, while you paint, keep your brush in the same direction. Just paint in one direction. And now you're going to let it dry for 30 minutes. Once your pot is completely dry, start with your second coat. And remember, in the same direction. Once you are done painting, let it dry for another 30 minutes. And remember to wash your brush as well. Now the fun can start. After the second coat is dry, you can start designing your pot in any way that your heart desires. So take one of your paint pens and start designing in any way that you want to. And remember, all of these products that I'm using, you can find at any of our 9 Chamberlain hobby corners. Once you are finished designing your pot, you can put it aside and wait for it to dry. While it dries, we can start painting the tray with your color of choice. So take your paint and your paintbrush and start painting your tray. And now we wait for everything to dry. With everything that is dry now, you're going to take your Granny Bee armor and start sealing your pot. Granny Bee armor is a primer and a sealer in one that you can use to seal all of your projects. Therefore, it can withstand any kind of weather condition. So take your brush and your Granny Bee armor and you're going to start with one direction, paint it over. And now for your tray as well. And now we wait for everything to dry for 20 minutes. Now that your armor is dry, you can start assembling your pot together by putting your pot in your tray and by putting your plant into the pot. And there you have it, your finished product. For more expert and friendly advice on anything hobby corner related, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores where a friendly expert is ready to assist you. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.